If you've ever loaded up a fast-paced competitive shooter only to get frustrated by motion blur, ghosting, or washed-out contrast on a traditional IPS panel, you already know the endless compromise of gaming monitors. Upgrading to an OLED display changes everything, but high-refresh OLEDs have historically been either too expensive or lacking in modern features. That's where the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACDNG steps in. The main problem it solves is the eternal tug-of-war between absolute speed for competitive play and stunning visual fidelity for single-player games. It delivers a blazing fast 360 Hz refresh rate combined with a 0.03 milliseconds response time, meaning motion is buttery smooth with zero ghosting. At the same time, the QD-OLED panel gives you true, infinite blacks and vibrant colors that make games look genuinely breathtaking. What makes this specific model stand out is how ASUS addresses the typical OLED headaches. It features a custom heatsink inside to passively pull heat away from the panel without needing a loud, annoying fan, which dramatically reduces the risk of burn-in. Combined with OLED Care plus software tools that gently shift pixels and manage brightness, you get peace of mind for long gaming sessions or even daily productivity work. Plus, conveniences like the ASUS DisplayWidget let you tweak your settings directly with your mouse instead of fumbling with buttons under the bezel. Things to consider before you buy. While QD-OLED looks incredible in a controlled environment, it can look slightly less punchy if you have a massive amount of direct, unshaded sunlight hitting your screen during the day. Also, 360 Hz at 1440p requires a very powerful graphics card to fully push those high frame rates in modern AAA titles, so make sure your PC hardware can keep up with the monitor's capabilities. So who is this really for? This is the ultimate dream monitor for the enthusiast who plays a mix of fast competitive titles like Valorant or Apex Legends and gorgeous narrative games like Cyberpunk. If you only play casually on a budget graphics card, you won't be able to unlock what this display is truly capable of. Is it worth the money? If you want top-tier motion clarity, absolute color accuracy, and the latest OLED tech backed by a solid 3-year warranty, it's a premier investment for your battle station. If this looks like the right fit for your setup, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a gaming buddy, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews.